If you want to add a photo to a contact on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to the phone app. There we go. Now in here, if possible, on the home page, you can try to use this View Contacts button, but if you don't have it, you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and then choose Contacts. Then once you open Contacts, of course, we can choose the contact for which we want to add a photo, and then tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. And here we have this section of picture and calling card, so you can tap on the picture, and here you can either open the camera and take the photo right now, or you can, for example, open the gallery and choose a photo from your gallery, or you can use any of these other options that we have available over here. In my case, I'm gonna open the gallery. Actually, I don't have any photos, so maybe I'm just gonna use like one of these illustrations. Why not? And let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And in this case, we can also customize the image slightly. In the case of your own photo, you should also be able to zoom in and zoom out, and also rotate the photo at the bottom of the screen. And we can tap on the choose in order to set up the picture, and we can tap on the save in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.